I'm sat on an executive chair in Sean Crawley's dressing room. My dressing room's just too untidy to be able to do this, and I've just finished work in TV land. But I wanted to do something for you for Valentine's or for family. You know, I love my little bits of crafting, etc. Oh, don't forget to subscribe. It's just down here. You just click that subscribe button. It's free. It doesn't cost you anything. It doesn't cost you anything going further, and it's just really lovely to have you on board and part of that YouTube family. So this is what I have made today. So this is a box frame that I got from the range, and then I've got the lettering, that is the Scrabble lettering. I've also got some wallpaper at the back of it and some little flowers on there, and I'm going to show you how easy this is to make, how easy it's going to be to make for Valentine's, maybe for your family, maybe for a family member, maybe for a new baby that's entered somebody's family, so a baby gift. It could be a Valentine's gift, it could be a birthday gift, a Christmas gift, an Easter gift. It could be absolutely anything, but it's just showing those family names, and what you want to do is try and join them all together. And this is for a friend of mine at work that's gone out of her way for me recently, and I just wanted to say thank you. I've also given one to a friend of mine tomorrow for her birthday too. So here is how you make this. So this is how you do it. I've got a box frame that I bought range, which cost me around about, I think it's about £3.59. You can get these in all different colours. You can get them in white, you can get them like in a beige, or you can get them in black. Of course, you can paint that as well if you wanted to. You don't have to keep it that colour. Now inside, obviously, you always have a piece of paper. That's the piece of paper. And then I've taken a piece of wallpaper that I like. This could be wallpaper. This could be leftover wallpaper. This could be some paper in your stash that you absolutely love. Now, I know the person that I'm making this for has bluey grey tones within their home. So that's why I'm doing it this colour. I've also picked up and done a few that have this kind of hue to it, if you can see, which is a pinky hue. And then I bought the general letters from the range. I will tell you that they don't come really clean. I mean, they're clean cut, but they can be a little bit higgledy-piggledy and not fit together absolutely perfectly. So if you're somebody that's absolutely precise and cannot do with something a little bit tilted, then this is not going to be for you. You're going to have to find more expensive letters. But for the bag, I think it works out to be around about £4. I've also got some bits and pieces that I picked up from Poundland as well. And I've made my paper roses, which I'll leave in the description below. So take this. I've already mapped out what I'm going to do with the lettering. So I'm now just going to move it over and to place it onto here, which I will then start to stick down once I've got it in the area that I want it to be in. So of course I want to get it quite straight. I'm going to come down here, and then of course what you want to do is cross over with the people's names. Does that make sense? So as far as I'm aware, that is very central. That name down there. So then all I'm going to do now is stick the letters on and then stick a little bit of the designs on, and you've got a personal touch there. Now I think this is going to be great for Valentine's, but you know, it could be saying thank you to a friend, it could be doing it them of their family, it could be a newborn that's arrived within the family that you might want to add them to one of these. It could be for a wedding, it could be a favour, it could be for your bridesmaids, it could be for a birthday. There's so many different reasons. It could be that you make a load of these to give away for Christmas presents in 2019. There's lots of different reasons why you're going to want to make some of this, but I'm also thinking you could do it for a loved one for Valentine's. You know, if you've got your girlfriend or husband and you want to put your family together on it. So you can see as I'm putting this together how easy it is. Oh, by the way, the glue that I use, you can use hot glue if you wanted to. So can you see that I is not the same size as the V. So when I put this up and you see it in full, you'll think, well, why is that not equal? And that's the only thing that may annoy you about this. Apart from that, it looks fabulous. So that's when you might want to be going and getting better letters than the ones that they have in the range. But you can buy these on places like, not on the high street, but they can be very, very expensive, and you can put them together. And it's such a lovely thing because you've actually done it yourself then, haven't you? So just putting in the last few letters, and then I'm almost done. It depends how you are with, because I just think it looks good. I think it looks good because you can see that they're not that's £1. Blooming love that glue. There you go. I've done this to somebody because they've been really good to me, and so I'm now going to stick a couple of these on. Eyelashes there, just to give it a bit more of a feel. I think these are self-adhesive as well, which is good. Oh. I think one more down there, and then I've wiped over the frame, so I'm just going to, that's the frame inside, I've wiped over with a microfiber cloth, so I'm just going to flip this over. Now I might not have cut it out completely the right size, yes I have, because I've followed the guide, and then just make sure I've got it the right way up. These can be, because obviously they're a little bit cheaper, these box frames, sometimes they don't line up perfectly, or oh, actually this one does. Hallelujah! Because I've made quite a few of these in the last couple of days, and some of them haven't been lining up completely. Hang on. And this is how I normally do it, if they don't. Like that. And then you just want to, that's going to have to go over a little bit. And just want to fold these back down, which I normally do with a pair of scissors. Turn it back over. And there you go, all finished. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to leave your comments in the section below. If you know where to get these that are a little bit better than this, then please leave them in the comment section below so everybody else knows where to go and get them. But these are just from the range. I'll see you tomorrow.